Removing all non-numeric characters from string in Python. How do we remove all non-numeric characters from a string in Python?
Not sure if this is the most efficient way, but the dot join part means to combine all the resulting characters together without any characters in between. Then the rest of it is a generator expression, where, as you can probably guess, we only take the parts of the string that match the condition istigit.
This should work for both strings and Unicode objects in Python 2, and both strings and bytes in Python 3.
Just to add another option to the mix, there are several useful constants within the string module. While more useful in other cases, they can be used here. There are several constants in the module, including ASCII_letters, abdefkijknopkstuvisizabdefkijknopkstuvises. Hex digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 abdef. If you are using these constants heavily, it can be worthwhile to convert them to a frozen set. That enables O(1) lookups rather than O(n), where n is the length of the constant for the original strings.
Flussholtern diesen Lines schreiben.